Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058C filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.